Hello, I'm Don Bouchard. As president of Saginaw Valley State University, I congratulate you on qualifying to compete for our most prestigious scholarship. I can tell you that our Cardinal family is excited to speak with you personally and answer your questions as you go through your collegiate selection process. The President's Scholarship is a highly coveted award that covers full tuition and fees for 4 years here at SVSU. I understand the mixed emotions that sometimes accompany embarking on the next chapter of your academic journey. You should feel pride because you have demonstrated the highest caliber academic performance in high school. I commend you for your hard work and outstanding efforts in getting to this point. I also understand that college is a significant financial commitment. We are committed to providing you with the best quality education and student experience, all while keeping affordability at the forefront of our mission. For a student like you, getting admitted to SVSU is a step towards unlocking your full potential. Let me assure you that SVSU is among the best universities in Michigan and the Midwest, and we are determined to match your hard work and help you reach your full potential. We offer the opportunities, resources, and support you will need to accomplish your goals. We have a path to help you land a great career. We offer world-class research opportunities, hands-on learning, and a chance to be mentored by faculty who genuinely care about your success. I wish you all the best as you move on to the next stage of this competition for the President's Scholarship. Again, congratulations, and I look forward to seeing you here next fall at SVSU.
Hello, and welcome to Saginaw Valley State University. My name is Jennifer Paul, and I'm the Director of Admissions here at SVSU. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our President's Scholarship Competition. Your academic accomplishments have earned you the right to compete for Saginaw Valley's most prestigious award, the President's Scholarship. I found my best fit on an SVSU tour, and I ended up graduating here from SVSU in 2000, and now I have been working here for the past 20 years. I loved my time here, and I know you will too. We've listed all the details and some frequently asked questions on this website. Take some time to review those, and if you have any follow-up questions, make sure you reach out to my admissions staff. We are ready and waiting to speak with you anytime. Finally, I encourage you to explore our programs of distinction that you will also find highlighted on this website. We want you to find your passion. Is it the honors program because you plan on going away to graduate school and want to write an academic thesis project? Perhaps the Global Foundation Scholars because you love exploring different cultures and want to study abroad. Maybe the undergraduate research program because you want to conduct your own research or present at a national conference with grants up to $5,000 to help pay for it. I have heard more times than I can count that these types of experiences can only be found at larger research institutions, but I couldn't disagree more. At a school like SVSU, we're big enough to offer everything that all the large universities do, but small enough that you don't have to pick and choose which one you can do because there's so many students all vying for the same spot. At SVSU, you can try lots of things. Personally, I was lucky enough to be an RA in the housing units. I was president of my sorority, the treasurer for our student association, like your student government in high school, but for the whole university campus. I was in a business fraternity for my major. I didn't have to pick and choose. I did everything I wanted to. Within reason, academics are the #1 reason you're here, but it can all be done together without jeopardizing the other. Outstanding students like you will be successful wherever you go. You will work hard at everything you do, and you will undoubtedly be just as successful here in college too. So now it's about finding the right place, the best fit for you that's going to help you grow and develop into the person you will become and help you stand out above the rest. I had friends that said I was making the wrong decision by coming to a small school like SVSU. They told me I should be looking at the bigger schools because that's where all the real opportunities existed. But I knew after visiting that SVSU was the right fit for me. And now that's what you need to figure out for yourself. I wish you the best of luck during this process. I'm excited to have you join me for our scholarship competition, and I look forward to working with you.